Hello friends, Green Wallet welcomes you all. Today we are going to do technical analysis of Colgate. Why we should buy Colgate at this level. Before I go any further, let's read out the disclaimer. Investment trading in securities market is subject to market risk. Past performance is not a guarantee of future performance. The risk of loss in trading and investment in securities markets, including equities, derivatives, commodities, and currency, can be substantial if you don't follow the stop loss strategy. Now, let's view the chart of the Colgate. Now this is the daily chart of the Colgate. Can you see this green line? Once this green line was a resistance to the Colgate when it was trying to come up at this level. It touched this level, went little high and then came down. Again it tried to go up, but again it came down. Then took a support at this level, and then the price was hovering around quite a few days, or you can say weeks or months together at this level, and it gave a breakout. Then this resistance became a support and the price went up to 1676 and odd paise. Then the price was there for quite a few time and it slowly came down and took the support of the previous resistance level, and now this has become a support. But technically speaking, on a daily chart, the 21-day moving period average, the prices are still below that moving period average. But if I go to a 30-minute chart, it gives me an indication that the trend is going to change and the turning point of Colgate has come. What we look for an uptrend? See, the uptrend starts from a lower time frame first. It is clearly showing me the lows are becoming higher. Lows are becoming higher and the highs are also becoming higher, though they are breaching the previous period or previous day high, and it is making a new high and a new high low. And plus the prices are about 21-day moving average. The Colgate is a fundamentally strong company. If you can invest not in a big quantity, try to invest every month 1 share, 2 share, 3 share, 4 share, 5 share as per your capacity till 2 years. Keep the share for another 5 years and you will see a tremendous growth in your wealth. Now, if you have money, you can put the money in this share. You can buy 50 shares also at this level, because it is giving me a clear indication that it will go to 1676 level or maybe above that, because Colgate has a track record of giving dividends as well as periodically it has given bonus. So Colgate company, whatever happens, there may be a lockdown, there may be whatever happens, but in the morning you need to brush your teeth, and what is synonymous to brush your teeth is Colgate. No, so many brands are there, but the Colgate has is market share which is untouchable. Friends, now let's see how you like this video. Friends, thank you all for watching this video. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my Green Wallet Telegram channel link. This is my email ID. This is my Facebook page. And this is my YouTube loop. Basically, this Green Wallet is sponsored by Citizen Justice Forum. Citizen Justice Forum is empowering citizens. They create a workshop online, offline, to have a legal literacy for the common people who don't understand, for the layman. And Green Wallet is also a part of it, where we give a literacy. We make people, the citizen of the country, aware that they should not burn their hard-earned money. So thank you once again. Thank you for all watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your families and friends. Thank you all.